The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra only arrived a couple of months ago, but we're already starting to hear rumors about what the Galaxy S24 Ultra might have in store. Now we're getting more details about the cameras and what kind of upgrades we might expect. According to @TechReeve on Twitter, the Galaxy S24 Ultra could ditch the standalone 3x telephoto lenses. Instead, the phone will come with a single 3 to 10 times variable telephoto lens. Variable telephoto lenses are not entirely new. The first appeared on the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III and Xperia 5 Mark III back in 2021. The idea there is that the lenses use a periscope design and has the ability to change the focal length while connecting to a single sensor. In Sony's cases, it means that you could opt for a static 3x or 5x zoom, while digital zoom covered everything in between. If this latest leak is correct, Samsung might be pushing that technology a little farther and doubling the maximum zoom, which is pretty cool when you think about it. The longer the optical zoom in the lenses, the better quality photos for far-off things will be. Because let's be honest, digital zoom can only do so much, even if you have a super high-res camera like the S24 Ultra. Plus, combining two zoom factors into a single lens means that there's more room for other things. That could be an extra lens, or Samsung could revert back to the triple lens camera and use that space for something else. TechReeve also claims that the S24 series will run on the 4nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which isn't a huge surprise. They also suggest that a 4nm Exynos 2400 chipset is a possibility, though it's unlikely that this chip will be available for devices sold in the United States. But that's not all. TechReeve claims to know some details about the Galaxy S25, which isn't due to arrive until 2025. Apparently that phone will run on the 3nm chips, either the Snapdragon 8E Gen 4 or the Exynos 2500. Not that you need to have a deep insider knowledge to figure that out. They also claim that another 200MP camera will be released with a lot of new technology. That sounds great, but they didn't get into too much detail about what that might be. Given how far away the Galaxy S25's release date is, it's likely far too early to say with any certainty. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series isn't going to arrive until the start of 2024 at the earliest, so there's a long time to wait before we get any confirmation on this particular rumor. The Galaxy S25 likely won't arrive until early 2025. Guys, make sure to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And while you're over there, go ahead and hit that bell so you get notifications when we drop videos.